Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Haier refrigerator works too often. And there might be three things that happen. First one, your rubber seals might be dirty. That means you will need to wipe them clean. The rubber seals are located right here on the upper fridge doors. Then we have the another ones right here. And next thing that could happen is power shortage. Your power could run off, and that would make your refrigerator work too often. And the last thing would be the doors. So sometimes you might not close the doors fully, which will also result in your refrigerator working too often. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.